Do you know Python is the go-to language for tech beginners? Its simplicity and readability make it perfect for those just starting out. Plus, it's used in everything from web development to data science. Let's dive in. Setting up Python is a breeze. First, download and install it on your computer. Then, explore IDEs like PyCharm or VSCODE to write your code. A well organized workspace is key to efficient coding. Let's talk about variables and data types. Variables store data, while data types define the kind of data. In Python, you'll encounter integers, strings, and floats. Mastering these is crucial for any programmer. Control structures like loops and conditionals are your programming toolkit. They help you make decisions and repeat tasks efficiently. Imagine automating repetitive tasks with just a few lines of code. Ready to build your first Python program? Start by writing a simple script. Encounter an error? Don't worry. Debugging is part of the process. Celebrate each small victory as you refine your code. Python's popularity is skyrocketing. Its versatility spans web development, data science, and more. Beginners love its simplicity, while experts appreciate its power. Dive into Python and be part of the future. Installing Python is your first step. Choose an idea like PyCharm or VSCODE to write and test your code. A well organized workspace boosts productivity and keeps your projects on track.